I've turned wood over. I've put in the pins to help locate it so that it's all lined up in the same axis as you flip it. So next thing I've done, I've changed the bit. So I'm going to do the rough cutting of the headstock and the rough cutting of the neck. Right, that's the rough cutting of the headstock. Next thing will be the rough cutting of the back of the neck. Right, that's the rough cut of the back of the neck as well. So in the next video I'll be doing the finishing cut on the headstock and on the neck, and then this part here has got to be taken down to the finished height that goes into the body.